In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a timetable in Google Sheets. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to organize their schedule, whether it's for school, work, or personal projects. So, let's dive in and start creating a timetable that fits your needs. First, you'll need to open a new Google Sheet. If you're not familiar with how to do this, simply head over to your Google Drive, click on the New button, and select Google Sheets from the drop-down menu. This will create a new spreadsheet where you can start building your timetable. Remember, the great thing about using Google Sheets is that it's cloud-based, so you can access your schedule from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Once your Google Sheet is open, the next step is to highlight a specific range of cells. Start by clicking on cell A1 and drag your cursor to cell M8. This will select a grid of cells that can comfortably fit a week's schedule, allowing space for time segments down the side and days of the week across the top. Highlighting these cells essentially sets up the skeleton or structure of your timetable, giving you a clear area to work within and customize. Now that you've highlighted your grid, it's time to customize your timetable. Begin by defining your columns and rows to suit your schedule needs. Typically, you might want to label the top row with the days of the week, starting from Monday and ending at Sunday, while the first column might contain time periods that break down your day in a way that aligns with your activities or classes. For example, you might split your day into hourly segments starting from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next, use the formatting options in Google Sheets to make your timetable more visually appealing and easier to read. You can adjust the font, size, and colors of your text to distinguish different parts of your table. For instance, you can bold the days of the week to make them stand out and maybe use a different background color for the weekends. You can also adjust the width and height of the cells to ensure everything fits neatly. As you fill in your timetable with specific tasks or events, remember that Google Sheets allows you to add notes or comments to cells, which can be handy if you need to include additional details about a particular task without cluttering your schedule. And there you have it, a simple, customizable timetable created using Google Sheets. With a bit of creativity, you can make your schedule both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Don't forget to save your changes and revisit your timetable regularly to keep it updated. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.